sucks because that was good. And try that again. That's a take two. Mike, that's it's not gonna work when I don't have the thing on. So this is 24 inches wide, and that's what she said.
I'm barely even using any of my own arm strength.
But you don't have to use your arm strength because it has 3.5 inch bristles, which is the girth. It's girthy. It's a meaty one.
So the panel gets multiple agitations.
It's a meaty one. Well, as you see right here, we're taking a look. I'll show you guys. You guys can watch. What takes place is that you're able to get that top area big time and get that all cleaned out. And then you go ahead and knock the middle. You're cleaning it with an ease, just breezing through your solar panels. So basically what you want to do is when you get to the house, you're not going to have to worry about the power. The question that's asked a lot is, do I need to shut off the power to the solar panels to clean them? And the simple answer is no, you do not have to. You're good. You're good to go ahead and start cleaning the solar panels. I do not shut them off. Can you video me?
Yes.
What did you think I said?
That's what I thought you said.
Oh, okay.
Verify.
Yes, sir.
Am I getting you or the brush?
Both.
Okay. Get the shebang.
The whole shebang.
So you're saying you use the same technique on 10 or 100?
Yep.
Now is this the Chris Virgin tried, true, and tested method?
It is.
That brush really seems to be gliding.
It does. I put a little bit of extra attention. Now what I'm doing here is with my hands and the pole. As I said, the brush is pretty girthy, and the pole is very rigid. So what we do with this bad boy is trying to give it a swiping motion, like sliding. That's how we go ahead and use the pole. Well, I am the master. Okay, so solar panels. What we have here is some solar panels that are dirty, and we clean them for our customers. Walk with me for a second. So we clean them, and we try to give them the most energy for their money.